Well, hey everybody, this is James Outlaw Frags, and today is going to be an unboxing with my good friend Russ. And what do you got, Russ?
Well, I figured we could do an unboxing because at my regular work, we're finishing up the Christmas in July. So, I'm still in the Christmas festive mood, and what I did was I made a purchase from another smaller YouTuber. His name's Keith, and he's known as Mr. Cheap Cent here on YouTube and in the Frag community. And I purchased it, and I think what you and I started talking about is why is it important, or why would you purchase from like a smaller YouTuber compared to, you know, just buying retail?
Oh yeah, it helps to support the guys that keep putting out the content, because like if I sell something, usually the money goes straight back into buying something else that I'm going to use on the channel.
Right, so I mean it's more frags for him that he can purchase and then do more reviews. So I figured today we can just do the unboxing of it, see what I got and what I picked up, and then we can just kind of talk a little bit about, I already cut his name and address off there just so it's not out there for everyone.
And this is a great example, like I said, that the majority of my fragrances are secondhand fragrances. That's exactly what this is. Buying a parcel from an individual.
Right, and most of these, literally he wore just to do reviews. So we're getting them, they're all not brand new, and we'll just talk about each one as we bring them out. I'll put these down.
Whole box full of stuff.
So I'll put this down and then we'll just open them up, because off the top of my head I can't remember every single thing that I picked up. He was just going through, oh, this is my mini Musler.
That's totally cool.
And the only reason that I purchased this, because I've never seen a small one.
Yeah, neither have I.
And this is a 30 mil. And so when he put that, I don't even remember what this one was. I can't tell. But I saw that. I thought it was pretty neat. You and I have been talking about collecting the little mini
I've gotten
bottles.
to the point where I really like the miniatures. Yeah, this is super dope.
Yeah.
I've got 5 bottles of this.
Yeah, do you have a spare hand? See if you can tell what it is. He's got a really good collection going.
I have 5 bottles of this. I'm pretty sure I know what it smells like. But it's a great fragrance.
I mean, you can tell which one that is?
Yeah, that's Amen. That's the original Amen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Then that's what we picked up. And then, now I have Bulgari Man in Black, but I don't have this one. And
I don't have
you can see
either
in
one
the
of
lights.
those. Yeah, you can just barely see through it.
I mean, it's
almost
all the way
full.
to the top. So he probably wore this one strictly for the review. And then, of course, now I have another one from my collection that I didn't have.
I would say that there's maybe 5 mil missing from this, if that. I've never smelled these. These are new to me.
Well, then we should have grabbed some test papers. Now this one leaked a little bit, but that's all right. We'll wipe it down.
On Oxford Blue, just pull straight off. Yep, I'm familiar with. I have this. This is a great impression of Versace Eros. It's just toned down just a tiny bit. It's way less expensive. It is definitely a really good one. I see your collar came off. We can fix that. Yeah, it's stuck in there. So we'll fix that. That's an easy fix.
Okay. And here is what I was on Jensen's neighborhood page. Those that recognize that's lucky number 6. He said he had a full bottle of it for sale. And we actually bartered back and forth over this one first, and then the rest of this came up the next day. He put out a video of everything that he had.
Yeah, I remember Ashton saying that he used to wear this back when he said that he worked at the arcade along with Aqua de Jo was one of his favorites.
Yeah.
I think he said he had another full bottle that he actually gave to his brother, and he just hadn't replaced it. This is one I haven't smelled either. I have no experience with. And that's the New London. Is supposed to be an Aventus clone.
Yes.
Which I haven't smelled either. I will say that I was at Dillard's. It is Dillard's we have here in town, right?
Yeah.
And they have this for sale on their counter right now for almost $100. And it definitely is. It is.
And that recently
clone
has came through TJ Maxx here locally, and they were under $20.
Yeah.
Local. It's just locally. It's hard to get a lot of them because people will collect them pretty quickly and pick them up. This is
Riviera.
2 out of 4.
Yeah.
We're supposed to have a total of 4. So
This is a really good scent as well. This is one that I have enjoyed. These got quite a bit of traction in the community about a year ago. Is when I started seeing these really pop up.
When they first came out.
Yep. Well, they have been out for a while. They just, for some reason, they just kind of got some notoriety. Notting Hill's another really good one. So you got, and that's Arrogant. Yeah. So you got the entire set just minus the box.
Right. And that's probably a suggestion I would give to, collectors out there, or if you're doing these fragrances, keep the boxes, because a lot of people do like the box. I'm a full box presentation guy myself.
Yeah, because it's like you're getting it brand new, just minus the cellophane.
I did this one only, again, for the miniature bottle.
Oh, yeah.
It's
I have a 40 mil like this.
And then someone on one of the Facebook groups said, hey, I forget what it was, CVS or somewhere, said there's a sale going on for these, run over there, and my store ended up having just one left in the entire town, and so I picked up another bottle.
How much was it?
$30.
$30. Yeah, that's not a bad price at all. I think I paid more than that for the one I have from fragrance.net.
So
you really got a good haul going here.
Here's
then
Craze. Yes. Now you own this one. It's over there.
Yeah, I actually own 2 bottles of this.
And now again, this is one of those that it was discontinued. They brought it back. They're talking about discontinuing it, but you can still find these on Amazon. You can still find these. They're just getting a little harder to find.
Yeah.
But he had one, he didn't like it, and so because I did a major haul, he did a pretty good price with me on that.
This is an amazing clone of Perfumes de Marley Pegasus. It's a 1-to-1 clone. It's probably the best clone I think I've ever smelled when it comes to clones.
And here's another of your
Tattoo. Oh, that stuff is so good.
He really likes tattoos, so.
And we're going to talk about this fragrance right here, because this is one that I've done a review on. That I didn't have anything in my collection, I can't speak English right now, that smelled like this until just lately. I had somebody give me a bottle of a really expensive Bond No. 9 that smells like this. So that's one thing that we want to talk about in another video.
Yeah, and we can do a comparison. But pretty much by me doing this, I got a whole bunch of stuff I didn't have. I did have John Paul, but I didn't have a mini bottle. I really liked this. And then I'm able to experience them. I got stuff that even you haven't seen.
Yeah, this is really, really rare. I've yet to see a 30 mil. I know that they made them. I've just never seen one.
And I think that's because everyone buys the big ones.
Yeah, by 100
that's
mil.
one gets the publicity. But
yeah, that's totally cool. So how much did you, if you don't mind me asking, how much you spent on your
It
haul?
was $150 total.
Yeah, this is not a bad haul for 150 bucks. So basically for the cost of one really expensive designer.
Yeah, you can reach back there blind, pick something, and then
if you bought it brand
new.
new.
And we get to support another
YouTube.
up-and-coming YouTuber channel. So.
Or even just like you said, this is in Dillard's. Or I think I said, right now you can walk to Dillard's where we live, and this is on sale for 100 bucks. So basically you got this for the price of what this would be retail.
And we got the whole haul.
Yeah.
So.
And you got some really, really good stuff. Like, I'm interested in checking this one out. Like I said, I haven't smelled any of the Bargari, Man Extreme, the Man in Black, any of these. They're all new to me, so I'm really interested in this one. And then you've got some that I have that are really, really good. Like, I have nothing bad to say about any of the English laundry fragrances that you picked up. This is a really good house. It's really inexpensive if you pick it up on the secondary market, or if you buy them at like
TJ Maxx.
That's where I bought my 4-pack of these, is TJ Maxx, and I think I got it for like $20. But they're absolutely outstanding. And if you get any size of a collection, this is really all you need.
Yeah, and in our town, you have to pretty much act quick if you're going to get these. If you see them, you got to pick them up. And if you pass on them, then
They're
just
gone.
know that you're passing on them. So, but this is the one that started it all. So I really wanted this just to add to my collection.
That's lucky number 7.
Lucky number 6.
Number
It's
6.
This one, and I had never smelled it. It's a blind purchase. But I kept hearing reviews about it and how retro it was, and you know, you just have to add it to your collection. And so
The bottle's cool.
I actually picked it up just for the collecting purpose of it. So.
What does it smell like? You haven't smelled it. You just
I haven't smelled it yet. I mean, if you want to do a review, we can do a review,
yeah. Let's take a smell.
or we can do an initial.
Do a first impression. Okay. I will say it does not have a Dior sprayer on it.
No, and it's almost got like a medicinal.
Yeah, it's
Right
it's
off the
spicy. There's a little bit of citrus, a tiny little bit of citrus. It's not bad.
Spicy, woody, oriental, maybe.
Yeah.
That's something we're gonna have to play with.
Yeah, it's definitely not bad.
Check it. I do like the little clip that comes on there,
Yeah.
so you don't accidentally spray them.
Yeah, this is an awesome haul.
But this was the haul, and this was just to help a fellow YouTuber actually see if they can get more. And if they can get more, then they're going to do more reviews, which actually helps all of Fragcom. So anytime that you can help another Fragcom personality or channel, I highly suggest doing something like that, because you're just giving back into the cycle.
Yeah, and I personally bought them from other reviewers as well. Because a lot of times they're like me, they've got a huge collection, and sometimes they let go of some really neat stuff.
Yeah.
Well, man, thanks. I really appreciate you sharing this with us.
Well, Merry Christmas, everyone.
Yeah, in 4th
In July.
Never got that one, but yeah. All right, so until next time, thanks for being here, and we'll catch you on the next video.